American 1218, contact on departure.
American 1218, good morning.
American 2839, runway 1, line of way, traffic on a 4-mile final.
Runway 1, line of way, American 2839.
American 2839, I got to pull you off the runway. Go down to taxiway Alpha. So left at Alpha, the Embraer's going to give way to you, and join Juliet. I'll call you right back.
Okay, left at Alpha, join Juliet, and American 2839.
American 1718, left on, take it out of the runway. Left 33, left Juliet, ground point 7.
33, left Juliet, ground point 7, American 17.
For American 2839, just should be a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes. So left Alpha, left Juliet, and just pull up right behind the Embraer off here to the left.
Alpha Juliet behind the Embraer, and what was the reason for that?
It's a special event over at Arlington Cemetery, temporary stop and departures.
Oh, I see.
Lucy 5413, clear to land.
Clear to land, we want to Blue Street 5413.
Say again?
Clear to land, Blue Street 5413.
Tower Blue Street 5108, Mount Vernon Visual 1.
Blue Street 5108, Washington Tower, the wind 0607, and I 1 clear to land.
Runway 1, clear to land, Blue Street 5108.
American 1394, runway 1, line of way, traffic on a 4-mile final.
Line of way, runway 1, American 1394.
American 1394, disregard, hold short of 1. American 1394, sorry about that, hold short of 1.
Hold short of 1, American 1394.
Still stop.
I can't tell you. If I had to guess and put a number on it, 5 to 10 minutes.
Tower, hello, Blue Streak 9953, MTV 1170 kilomiles mile final.
Blue Streak 9953, Washington Tower, 10506, runway 1, clear to land, traffic may depart prior to arrival.
Okay, 2 line running 1, Blue Streak 9953.
Brickyard 4686, Washington Tower, when we do start, you're going to be number 1. It looks like I got to get a new release time for the American off your right.
Copy, Brickyard 4686, stand by.
American 2839, hold your position there.
Roger.
United 2201, you have access to the runway once the Embraer ahead to your left moves.
Yeah, we'll be able to touch up to look at this.
2201, pull up right behind that Embraer, holding short of the runway there. You'll be number 2 for departure.
That's real cover.
Brickyard 4700, going to maneuver you here in a minute, just stand by.
You going back on station T56?
You want, thank you. American 2839, when the United off your right moves, I'm going to have you slide right. Once we cross right to left, I'm going to have you slide right into the whole bay, right behind your company.
Alright, American 2839, and we were on the runway ready to go, and then you guys pulled us off, and now we're going in the whole bay behind you now.
Yeah, because we have to coordinate a new release time for you. You had a release time when they put you on the runway. When they pulled you off, it's for a VIP movement, which is out of our control. Now we have to coordinate a new flow time, so I'll have that for you here in just a minute.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thanks, American 2839.
Brickyard 4700, when the American off the nose pulls right, you pull up to hold short after the United. Brickyard 4686, runway 1, line up and wait, traffic 4 out, be ready to go.
Line up and wait, runway 1, Brickyard 4686.
American 1394, got you a time of 55 past the hour.
Cool, we got a 55 time, American 1394.
United 2201, you're going to go after the next arrival.
Tower Blue Streak 5552 is with you on the visual Mount Vernon 1.
Brickyard 4686, winds 050 at 6, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, Brickyard 4686.
American 2839, your flow time's now going to be 57. You're going to go right after company, that's off your left in the whole bay.
Roger.
Brickyard 4686, control contact for departure, we'll see you later.
Departure, Brickyard 4686.